Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. First I am selecting the MMGS. So at first I am taking the top plane, go to the reference geometry plane. It will be a start from 100 millimeter. Okay, then control 8, control 8. Then go to the sketch and select the circle, and this circle will be 300 millimeter. Okay, done. And then go to here, and also it will be 40 millimeter circle. Then go to the circular sketch, and it will be dimension angular degree will be 15. So here, then go to the trim and trim it, trim it, trim it. Okay, trim it, trim it, then trim, trim, trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it. Okay, done. Then again go to the circular sketch. One click is here, another click is here, and another click is here, and it will be 12. Okay, done. Then close the drawing. Then go to the top plane again, features, sketch, then it will be start from 0, and go to the sketch, select the circle, and this circle radius diameter will be 120 millimeter. Close the drawing. Then go to the features, control 7, and select the loft. One click is here, another click is here. Okay, then go to the start and end construction. Start construction none, and it will be normal to profile. It will be 1.8. Okay, then apply it. Okay, then go to the shell and select it. It will be 3 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 4 millimeter thickness. I'm taking the 5 millimeter. Okay, done. Then go to here, select it, then go to the select the color, basic color. I'm taking this color. Okay, done. You can change illumination. Okay, illumination it will be 0.5 millimeter. Then okay. Oh, nice. I think you have enjoyed it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share also. Thank you, Naim sir.